Hi, this is M4U.
Today we are discussing about Interesting Facts episode 3. Now without any late, let's get into the show. Fact number 1. There are many talents in our world. We saw the earth drawn by pencil or pen, but now I am showing the earth drawn by sand. Now you guys thinking how is it possible? But now I will show you a photo. See, this is that picture. Wow, this man makes the impossible thing as possible. Once salute to this man. Fact number 2. Now I will tell you some weird psychology tricks. Trick number 1. Always bring a bottle of water to the stage. When you can't remember what to say, take a drink. Nobody will know the difference. Trick number 2. Never give up on something you really want. It is difficult to wait, but more difficult to regret. Trick number 3. Want something from someone. Ask them at the end of the day. Having a tired mind makes you cooperate easily, because you have less mental power to argue or question your request. Trick number 4. Want to know if someone is attentive or not? Repeat your sentence with a slight change in it. If he is listening, either his facial expression will change, or he will point out and question the part. Trick number 5. Deja vu occurs when your brain tries to apply a memory of a past situation to your current one, fails, and makes you feel like it's happened. Trick number 6. If you want your friend to carry something, just keep talking to them while handing them the bag. Most people will automatically take the bag without thinking. Fact number 3. In this fact I will tell you one kind of disorder. It makes you guys surprised. That disorder name is Lychnobite. This disorder makes the people to sleep at day and works at night. Fact number 4. This is one kind of coincidence fact. After listening this fact, you will surprise a lot. There is one person known as Jackie Chan. His father was a spy and his mother was a drug dealer. They met through an arrest. Fact number 5. After listening this fact you will shock. If you ever feel alone, turn the lights off and watch a horror movie. After that you will always feel that someone is standing behind you. Fact number 6. I think you all guys know Statue of Liberty. In that statue there is a woman head. According to artificial intelligence based on interpretation of what Lady Liberty would have looked like this if she was a real person. Fact number 7. You all guys know the chocolate chips which are present in cookies. These chocolate chips are invented by a woman. She sold that idea to Nestle in return for a lifetime supply of chocolates. Fact number 8. You all guys know the monks. They are very great people. There is one monk who prayed for 12 years on the same spot. After completing his praying he get out from that spot. In that time the print of his legs are appeared there, which you are seeing in the picture. This picture is not an edited piece. Fact number 9. In the 50+ years history of the Japanese bullet train, carrying more than 10 billion passengers, there has never been a passenger injury or fatality caused by train accidents. Fact number 10. You all guys are thinking that quarantine has only disadvantages, but the earth has finally fixed the largest ozone layer hole above Arctic, healing 1 million square kilometers. We all guys thanks to quarantine. So this is ours today episode. If you like it don't forget to like, share and subscribe to M4U. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye guys.